Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. That hand action was a bit weird, but who knows, we're going with it. The hands are flying today. As you saw from the title of this video, today we are doing a try on haul and I'm really excited for this one. It is a Gymshark haul. If you've subscribed to my channel for a while now, you'll see it's mainly makeup with the odd vlog and sometimes there's some like hauls, but it's never like gym related. Yes, I go to the gym and I've always wanted to have some Gymshark clothes, but they are expensive and I was like, do I do it, do I don't? And I've always been like, should I get some, should I not? And today's the day where I have got some clothes. And I thought, why not create a YouTube video and I can try them on, I can show you what they look like, tell you if they're worth it, because if you're like me and you go to the gym and you want good clothing, but you don't have that much money, this is a video for you. Anyway, I'm going to stop chatting so much so we can get into the video, which is why you're here. But before we do that, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and to subscribe to my channel to see more of me, makeup fun, try on hauls, vlogs, bit of everything. Go check out my channel so you can find out more basically. But yeah, let's get on into the video. So this is the bag of goodies. It doesn't look that big and yeah, it's not overly big haul because it's expensive. I got 5 items for £150 and that's with 10% off. So let's hope this is worth it and then let's see if we're going to send things back or not. But I've waited until this video to get into this parcel. So let's... Actually, I was going to rip it open, but I'm going to neatly open it because what if I want to send things back? So let's open her up. I don't know why it's a her. And there's the parcels. Okay, so we have a lot of items here. Let me kind of try and organize this haul. I've got one like set and I feel like let's end with that. And for now, let's do the individual pieces. So first, why not start with a pump cover up? So I actually was debating between sizes for this because I've never bought anything from Gymshark and I couldn't be bothered to measure myself. So I kind of guessed. And at the gym, I like my clothes or my top half to be super baggy because I am a little bit self-conscious. So this, I think, is in an extra large, but I was thinking about getting it in extra large or a large, like I had no idea. So normally for gym tops, I have the tops which are like that polyester stretchy, like thinner fabric, but this is a cotton top. And basically I was just drawn to it because I really like all those cute aesthetic videos. I say aesthetic, but like when gym girls have really cute pump cover-ups. I wanted to get on that. And I found this one. So this is a Gymshark Lift 'Em. Heavy duty, strength in numbers, designed in the UK. So this is the design and it looks quite large. It is a heavier fabric than the usual ones, but I expected that. But I just love the colours. I love pink, so I was like, let's get it. And black's meant to be slimming, I think. So I went with that too. But I will try that on in a second. I'll try it on with some trousers that I also bought. So next, let's open this packet, which I think are some gym leggings. Ta-da! Some basic Gymshark leggings. These are in a navy blue colour, but I would say they are quite dark. So these like originally cost £30, but they were on sale for £21. And these are the Gymshark training leggings. I like them because they're pretty basic. They have a thick band, but it also kind of like arches like around the bum, which is quite cute. They feel very soft, but they also feel kind of thin. But I don't mind that. Hopefully they are breathable to work out in, and hopefully they are squat proof. Sizing wise, I don't know. These are medium. I hope they will fit, but I don't know. So let's try them on. So here is the pump cover and the leggings on together. So first, let me start by talking about the top. As you can see, it is very large. It actually like just stops like just before my knee, which I love, but you might not be into. Just for reference, this is an extra large, like I said earlier, and I am 5 foot, and I'm usually between a size 12 and a 14. So this is what it looks like on me. The sleeves are really long, and like you've got It literally covers all your top of your arm, so if you are self-conscious about that, it's perfect, but at the same time you can roll it up if you want to. It feels really breathable. I've got lots of space to move and even enough fabric to like tuck it in under your bra, as that's what's trendy nowadays. But let me give you a view of the back. So this is what it looks like here. I'd have a lot of excess room here. Actually, I don't think it's too bad. There is extra room there, but I don't mind that. I really like it. Definitely will be keeping. Now onto the leggings. So these are the training leggings. If I pull up the top slightly, you can see it better. This is the navy. It is like a thinner material, than the seamless ones. The seamless ones are thicker, these ones are thinner. I feel like these ones are cardio and then the other ones are more weight strengthening ones, but to be honest, I'll wear them both no matter what, really. I really like the waistband, and these are in size medium, so they're a bit tight, but I like that because then I have more support around this area. It did take a little bit of effort to pull them up, but I'm just comfortable in them. And even though they were tight when I first put them on, they're like super stretchy, like I can move anywhere in these. I haven't yet done the squat test, so let's see if it's okay. I can't see what that looks like at the moment, so I'll review the footage and say if it's a-okay on the screen. But as the movement, loads of room, I feel safe, like I don't feel like I'm gonna pop or anything. It feels good. But if you do prefer extra room, definitely size up with these ones. But overall, keeping all the items, love them. Now we are on to this set. So I got the Adapt Seamless set in this shade. I say in the shade because I always do makeup, but in the colour Woodland Brown. Because we started off with the t-shirt, let's just carry on with the t-shirt. I mean, let's go on with the t-shirt next. So this one is in the size extra large because I said I like baggy big tops when I'm at the gym. And I am kind of shocked. I'm really shocked by the way it feels. It's like really soft, and it's not like my usual gym tops, and it's not like a cotton top. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Oh, it's because it's like 84% nylon and 16% polyester. If that means anything to you guys. But I haven't tried a top like this. And it feels a lot heavier than my usual tops, even heavier than the cotton one. I'm not sure about the colour, you know, as well. What do you think? Online, it looked a bit more like a warmer brown, but when I pulled it out of the bag, it kind of looked like black with like kind of gold detailing, but it's not gold, it's brown. This top cost me £32, one of the most expensive tops ever, but let's put this to a side and then we can try it on in a minute with the matching leggings. Thinking about it, I hope the material in the leggings is not the same, because that won't really feel good. These are the seamless leggings. They're not in the same material. They are like super stretchy, but they are thick. Like, I have never worked out in this material. It's been normally whatever the navy blue ones are, that's what I'm used to. These are in the size medium. They feel thick, like they're going to support me, which is what I want. I want the support so I feel more comfortable. The waistband's very thick, but yeah, I can't get over the material. It is also a scrunch bum. I'm doing it, you know. I thought, let's have the confidence and wear something different and something that's outside my comfort zone. So I wonder how that's gonna look. So it's like very, very similar to the last one. Obviously, it's like some of the same set, but this is 79% nylon, 15% polyester, and 6% elastic. So you wouldn't believe it, but these cost £50. I was like, what? Why are they so expensive? But I can't say much else until we try them on. So let's try on the top and these leggings together. I am now wearing the Adapt Seamless set, and oh my god, the top, I feel like it could be a PJ top. Like, it's so nice. I thought it would be like heavy and uncomfy, but it's so soft, so much room. Probably too much room if you don't like really large tops, but when I'm at the gym, I just feel protected if I would just wear something a bit baggier. So I love this. The colour, yeah, it looks so much better on than how I was looking at it earlier. I do really like it. Yeah, so I really like the colour of the set. It is more like dark brown, black, and I just like the darker colours. I like to be hidden and away. Like, I do like bright colours, but at the moment I don't want to be like fully out there or like noticeable in the gym. I'm gaining confidence. We're getting there. This is the first step. Again, like the other top, it covers your arms. It's really nice. Let me just show you what it looks like at the back. Yes, probably excess room by the arms. But again, this is in like double XL. Yeah, so extra, extra large. Now let's talk about the leggings. I really like the feel of them. It does feel really good. But these are medium and I feel like they're like looser than the training leggings, which I just tried on. But they're still like form figure hugging, like they're gonna give me a lot more support. But there seems like there's more fabric. So I'm really short, like I said, I'm 5 foot. So at the moment it kind of rolls-ish. So at the top here, I have extra fabric and I can pull it down. And then it doesn't do that, but then I have extra fabric below here. And I just don't know where I want my extra fabric to sit. Trying to get it to the back so then the scrunch works a bit better. But I just feel like I haven't figured out the best way for that. I feel like these are definitely squat proof, definitely, with the thickness, with the colour, but I will try it. Super movable, really love them. These are a bit slightly out my comfort zone. I was like, do I try the scrunch bum? And I did. And do I like it? Yes. I think it's great, especially on leg day when you're doing those squats and then you get that pump. So good. Because I didn't want like the definition lines, but it's got like a lid or something without being too over the top. And then also I'm wearing like long tops, so you're not really going to see it anyway, unless I do that trendy thing where you tuck your top into your bra. But yeah, these is the back. If we just do a squat. See, I think that's good. And yeah, super movable. Oh my god, I just clicked. So I love them, we'll keep them. Yes, it's a bit expensive, like this costs £80 together, but I'll get my money's worth out of them. So the last item in the haul is the shorts to go with the Adapt Seamless shirt set. Ugh, what's going on with my English today? So let's open it up and have a look. So basically the same exact thing as what we just saw in the leggings, but as the shorts, so therefore they're shorter. I can't believe how like thick the material is. Like, I don't know. Will that feel good? Who knows? I feel like it is more like a strength training exercise instead of cardio, because where they are thicker, you could get a bit warmer. The leggings, and it's becoming closer to like cooler weather, like winter, that would help a lot. You may be thinking, why have I got shorts when it's coming close to the winter? It's when you're in your gym, you get hot, and also I want to show off the gains. So these shorts cost me £38. Wow. Minus 10% discount as well. I actually used an influencer's code. I will leave the code I use down below. You can use it at any point. Everyone loves to save a bit of money. I am not big enough to have an influencer code, and especially for Gymshark, because I know it's like really difficult to become like a Gymshark athlete and get in a code. I'm really intrigued of what the scrunch bum is going to look like, and then I also need to learn the technique of putting gym shorts on, because you could just pull these on and put them normal, but like the girls like cinch it around the butt. Can I do that? Also, am I allowed to say that word? Probably. So now I'm going to try these shorts on with the matching top and give you a review. Now I have the Adapt Seamless set on, but with the shorts. And you know what? I think I prefer the shorts to the leggings. I've never ever worn like gym shorts before. These are the first pair I've tried. They fit really nicely. And there's like multiple ways you can wear them. So I'm like in between ways actually. You can have them like pull down so they're a bit longer, or you can pull them up and then push the fabric to the back of you, as that's like a super trendy way to wear them at the moment. But wear them however you feel comfortable. Is it a bit weird that my top almost covers like the shorts completely? Maybe, I don't know, but I quite like it. I feel like I'm wearing a little dress. But yeah, same colour as the other ones. If I lift up the top so you can actually see what they look like. I'm just tucking the top into the back of my shorts. This is what they look like from every angle, and this is what they look like from the back. Again, definitely squat proof, definitely movable, like they're great. And then what I really like about the seamless the Adapt Seamless from what I've tried is the material's thick, but like not overly thick. I feel like it will still be breathable. I think it'll be better for strength training than cardio, because if you sweat a lot, like I don't know how this could absorb quite a bit of sweat, whereas I think the training was probably better for cardio, but strength training I think these will be perfect because they just support you, and I feel like your muscles need that support when you're working out, so these are probably the best for that. And that is the end of this try on haul video. So, what do you think of the outfits? Do you think they're good? Do you think I should wear them at the gym? I'm gonna try them out. If you have any questions about the outfits, please let me know in the comments, because while I'm trying these clothes on now, it's like first impressions. So I'm gonna use them, wear them at the gym. So I'll have more context when I post this video. So comment down below if you do have any questions about how they wear at the gym, and I'll let you know. But yeah, let me know if you like this sort of video. I've been doing a few clothing hauls recently and I'm really enjoying them. Are you? And let me know if there's any particular brands you want me to try. But yeah, all I have to say now is thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you're liking the outfits, push the thumbs up, and if you're still here, hit the thumbs up because I think you're enjoying the video. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel to see makeup videos, a few little vlogs, a lot of fashion hauls. If you're interested to see what I'm doing, just check out my channel, as I have quite a few videos up there you can check now. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me, and I will see you in my next one sometime next week. Bye guys!